Hey Crazy Loves! MAC is proud to present Kinky Boots. That's what I'm wearing and that's what I'm going to show you. The Tony Award winning show inspires everyone just to be who they want to be. So with this matte kinky red lipstick and accompanying kinky red gloss with glitter flecks, MAC brings to us an extraordinary new lip combination. So I paired it today with the NYX Plush Red Lip Liner, and I am loving it. This can be purchased on the MAC website and is still available. The lipstick is $15 and the lip glass is $16. Now, it does come in the traditional MAC packaging, but it is phenomenal. I am loving it. If you want to see more on how I got this fabulous lip look, then stay tuned.